Welcome to tonight's Treehouse.
Hello everybody, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Today we have a surprise box of toys to open. Okay, Natalie, will you please do the honors and open up your toys?
There's the instructions.
Yes.
And there's the set toy.
Ooh, cool. Hey.
Here's the different kinds of bags.
Wow, look at that. So if you can lift those up so we can see them too. Wow, we got some Ritzy Rollers stuff. That looks like a lot of fun.
Okay, let's open this one up.
Okay, first, before we jump right to it, can we show them what each of these things are, please? Okay, look. We got Ritzy Rollers Forever Friends. We have Ritzy Rollers on Wheels. And Ritzy Rollers Gusties.
Now let's open this one up.
Okay.
Okay. You want to see it on the back?
Yeah, that's a cool back of the box too. Here, maybe I should help you out, okay? Here,
Look at it.
look at you, big strong girl.
Ah, I really want the other one down.
Here, hand it to me. I will help you. Can you get those out of the package?
Yeah, I think so. Hey guys, do you love these? And make sure to leave the comments you love these.
Yeah. You want them to write in the comments how much they love these? Alright, Sugar Plum, let me help some more.
Oh, there's that cutie.
Show it to the camera. And then we also have this one. And their wheels, you can take off their wheels and you can switch them out.
And we can put the wheels in the back too.
Yeah, we can change out the wheels however we want. Has a little trunk where we can store all the wheels at. You see? Boop boop.
And the other ones
Oh, and this is a little lamb. Okay, so you want all these wheels off, huh? Alright, so they just pop off.
And then there's some more wheels and more wheels on here too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they pop off just like that.
Okay, now let's open this one.
Okay, can we show everybody what it is real quick? Wow, super cool. Oh, and here's a kitty cat Ritzy Roller. You want the wheels off on this one? There you go, baby.
Look at all these wheels.
Yeah, why don't you pop some of them on some of the different cars and decorate them? So let's check this out. Okay, so Natalie, this opens up. So we can store our wheels.
Can you get these two off?
Yes. So we can store our wheels in here. We have little ramps.
Or we can store our wheels in here.
Yeah, we can store our wheels in here. Let's show them what you're talking about. We got this little spinning thing right here where we can store some wheels. And why don't you put some wheels on there so they can check it out?
Now that's how you do it.
Awesome. So what do you think of these cool toys?
They're good.
They're good. What's your favorite so far?
Like this one.
You like the little lamb? I think the lamb's pretty cute too. Alright. But I think you might really like these coming up. This one looks like it's going to be a unicorn. And you're big into unicorns right now. How about I try opening that up for you while you play with the other ones? Hey look, we got the silly unicorn. And we got a little pink lamb. Here, look. So I put in a bunch of the wheels in the car. And if you spin this around, you can see some of the different wheels. So looky here, we got a horse and a tiger and a unicorn, a pink lamb, a monkey, a blue lamb, and a kitty cat. Those are really adorable. Cheese. Okay, so we have your little setup. We have your little van full of the Ritzy Roller wheels. And we have all your cool toys. I think it's time that we say goodbye to everyone.
Bye, everyone. Poopy butt.
Stop calling people poopy bump. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Ah.